Welcome to Naukri for You, an online study for you initiative. So guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video, I will discuss about two job opportunities, two job hiring. One is from IBM and the second one is from Capgemini. So, and in this video, I will discuss everything. I will tell you everything in detail about these hirings, that who can apply for this, what is the salary package, what would be the location, what would be the roles and responsibility for this particular job profile. So don't skip this video, watch till end, and do share this video with your friends also, okay? So now let's start discussing about these hirings. Before starting that, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, so make sure that you have subscribed to it and press the bell icon also, so that you will get all the notifications from our YouTube channel. Okay. So now let's start discussing about these hirings. So first one is from Capgemini for like immediate opening for BE, BTech, ME, MTech freshers. And basically this particular job profile is for freshers who have completed their graduation or their post graduation this year itself, so they can also apply for this. Okay. Now as I said that the location about these hirings I will also tell you. So for this particular job profile, the location would be in Bangalore or Hyderabad. Yeah, here they have mentioned that the location would be in Bangalore or Hyderabad. Okay. And let's discuss that what else they have mentioned in their JD. So basically we have an immediate opening for BE, BTech, ME, MTech freshers, and like experience in BE, BTech, ME, MTech freshers, and experience in C and C++. So particular, they have mentioned the specific programming language, that is C and C++. So you must have a good hold on C and C++ programming language. And yeah, what else they mentioned, like only BE, BTech, MTech irregular students or candidates can apply for this, not those candidates or students who have completed their graduation from distance basis, so they can't apply for this particular job profile, right? And yeah, and what you have to do, you can directly log in and apply for this. And else what you can do, that this is the particular email address they have mentioned in their JD. So what you can do, you just have to mail your updated resume on this particular email address, and with and along with below details like total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, and notice period. If you are experienced, then only, and this is not, this column is, these columns are not for freshers. Okay. And yeah, this is all. And education requirement, they have mentioned that undergraduate, BTech, BE in any specialization candidates can apply for this particular job profile. And those who have completed their post graduation, so MTech in electronics and telecommunications, students only can apply for this job profile. And what key skills are required for this particular job profile, that is C++, C and C developer and data structure. So you must have good command on these particular technical skills like C++ programming language, C and C developer, and data structure. Now let me tell you that how can you apply for this. So if you already have an account with this, so just click on login to apply and just enter your email address and password and just apply for this particular job profile. And if you, in case if you don't have an account with this, so just click on register to apply, and then you will come to this particular page. And here what you have to do, just upload your updated resume, enter your full name, your email address, your password. You have to create a password basically, and enter your mobile number, and just work status. If you are experienced, so just click on I am experienced, and if you are a fresher, so just click I am a fresher and then register. Just click on register now. So this is the way from where you can register yourself with this particular portal and apply for this particular job profile. Okay. Now let's discuss about the second job opportunity, which is from IBM for the profile of technical support engineer. Okay. And this is the introduction. So basically this is about the company, about the profile. So you will get the link in the description box so that you can go through it and have a look before applying for this particular job profile. Now let's discuss about the roles and responsibility for this particular job profile. So basically your roles and responsibility would be like provide daily support to user of various computer systems, include answering questions, analyzing problems, and quickly forming solution to return systems proper operation. Okay. The second thing is communicate clearly and effectively with end users, colleagues, and management to quickly resolve issues and ensure customer satisfaction. Install and maintain virtual servers, software to replicate customer reported issues, and install security patches and updates when necessary. The next thing they have mentioned in their rules and responsibility section, that is maintain detailed records of daily interaction with customers, reported issues, and completed solutions. Okay, so basically these are the rules and responsibilities. Now let me tell you that what are the required technical and professional expertise. So basically 0 to 6 plus years of progressive IT experience in customer service, good hand-on experience with Linux operating system, ability to diagnose and troubleshoot complex technical issues, excellent problem solving and communication skills. So you must have good knowledge and the skills like problem solving, communications. Okay, and this is the total they have mentioned in their job description. So now let me tell you that how can you apply for this. So just click on this apply now, then you will come to another page. Just a second, it is taking a little bit time. So yeah, so this is the page and this is the form. Basically what you have to do, just select your resume, enter your name, your last name, your primary email address, your experience level, area of interest, and preferred language, primary key skills, and primary country. Okay, and after submitting these information, your personal details, you have to do just click no thanks and continue to apply. If you don't want to fill this form, so just click on no thanks and continue to apply. Then you will come to another page, and from where you have to again what you have to do, this is basically the IBM official website, and this is all we have discussed: your roles and responsibility, introduction, your required technical and professional expertise. So after having a look on these, just click on this apply to job, and then you will this is how you can apply for this particular job profile. So guys, this is all about in today's video. I hope this will very useful for you. So do share this video with your friends also. Till then, take care. Bye bye.